Hey guys, welcome back to Awesome Clown Kasasi, and today I got a Cars 3. And this one is my favorite game. I won this game. As you can see, that Cars 3 game, it was made by Disney Pixar and is a WB game. And this is about $20 I got. And I might really show you. Let me open this. Okay. Here it is. Here it is, the Cars 3. There is the game disc. You can see. I'm going to, and here's the card, and because I'll play Cars 3, and I'll play Nintendo Switch today. You can don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Goodbye.